Hi everybody, today I will demonstrate a nice flow after running. So let's start. Let's, let's start in tabletop. Shoulders and wrists aligned, knees and hips aligned. Inhale, arch your back, gaze up. Exhale, round your back, chin to your chest. Just to move that spine, relaxing that spine after the running. Up, down. Two more of these, one inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then the next inhale, plant your hands into the mat. Find your downward facing dog. And in the downward facing dog, just really walk your dog. And it's very good to stretch the back of your legs. You bend one knee, feel the back, the hamstring stretch. And then the other side. And next time that you bend the left knee, extend the right leg, press into your heel, feeling that the back of the right leg stretch. Breathe here, inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. And then exchange. Right knee is bent, left leg completely extended, feeling the back of your legs. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. And just come to downward facing dog. Bend the knees a little, send that hips up and back. Just being aware, sending that hips up and back. And maybe you start to feel the back of your legs, the back of your hips. Inhale. Come to your toes, bend the knees, just look forward and walk to the front of the mat with your knees bent, relax your head down, grab the back of your legs, press your legs into forward, and then your forehead to your legs. Stretch, continue with the stretch of hamstring. Let's move the spine. Inhale, halfway lift, shoulders back, long spine. And then you exhale, bend the left knee, right leg extended, left hand under your face. It could be your fingertips, it could be pressing your hand. And inhale, right arm up. Exhale, let's exchange. Right hand under your face, you bend the right knee, left leg is extended. Inhale, left leg high, just moving your spine. Inhale and exhale, fall forward again. Fingertips into the mat. Let's send the right foot back to low lunge. Stay here, pressing into your hand. And then front foot to the edge of the mat, runner's lunge. Stay here. Option to come to your forearms. Option to come to the outside of the left foot. Then now drop the back knee. Inhale, bring yourself up into your hands. Bend the back knee, your toes are up, and let's twist to the right, grabbing your foot to stretch the front of the legs. Quad stretch. Inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale, and both hands into the mat. Let's bring the front foot to the left, which is the left foot, to the right side, and left knee, like pigeon pose. Left knee outside behind the left wrist. Inhale, extend the back leg long. Inhale, proud pigeon. Maybe you come to your fingertips, your chest is up, opening your chest. Exhale, fold forward into pigeon pose. We breathe here. Inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale. And press both hands into the mat. Find your downward facing dog. Inhale, come to your toes. Let's walk again to the front of the mat. Bend the knees, relax your neck down. Again, fall forward to stretch the back of your legs. Inhale, halfway lift, your shoulder back, long spine. Exhale, fingertips to the mat. This time we send the left foot back and we come to low lunge. Stay here, breathe here. Just dropping the hips down, and now front foot to the edge of the mat, heels in, toes out. Your hands inside of your front foot. Stay here for a moment, just feeling the stretch in your hips. With the front foot, you can come to the edge of the front foot, and now come to your forearms. Inhale, exhale, drop the back knee, and then come up into your hands. Bend the back knee, right hand into the mat. Reach for your foot. When you grab your foot, if you can grab your foot, maybe this is all your stretch, or if you can grab your foot, bring your foot to your glutes and breathe. Inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale, release your foot. And now the front foot, the right foot, you bring it to the left side of the mat. You bend the knee, you wrist, and your knees behind your front right wrist. Inhale, proud pigeon, chest is up, maybe your hands to the side to frame your hips. Proud pigeon, and now you exhale, fall forward into sleeping pigeon. Back leg extended, and just fall forward. You breathe here in a sleeping pigeon. Inhale, open mouth, exhale. Inhale, exhale through the mouth. And the next inhale, up into your hands, and let's come to sit it into your heels. You Thunderbolt, you sit into your heels. If this is very difficult for you, you can grab a block or a pillow and sit and bring the block between your feet. We stay here. 2 rounds over here. This is a quad stretch. Inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale. Now, stay here, or you want to go deeper, just open your feet and sit between your feet. Shoulders back, belly is active. Inhale, exhale. Nice stretch for your quad, your calf. Inhale, exhale. And let's bring your hands in front of you. Then this time come to your toes and let's sit into your heels. Nice stretch for your toes, your feet. That you need that after running. Shoulders back. And then send your arm. If this is difficult for you, you can lean forward a little. Just find the place where you can be, and then send your arms back. Extend your arms down and away from your lower back. Open your chest. Inhale. Exhale. Release. And just come to a comfortable seated pose. Bring your hands to your knee, move your shoulders, move your neck. Anything that got fired there. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, arms up. Twist to the left. Inhale, arms up. If you are with the right leg in front of, just exchange your legs if you are in a seated pose. And exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, up. With the arms up, bring the sole of your feet together. Butterfly, grab the chin. Spine is long. Option to move your legs, your knees. Inhale and exhale. Just gently start to come forward between your legs. Relax there. Just stay there and breathe.